artificial intelligence. If you haven't heard of OpenAI's ChatGPT yet, then you'd better do some serious catching up. This AI is moving fast. I mean, really fast. For those of you who don't know, technology advances at an exponential rate, around 10 years every year. This is why your dual-core PC from 2015 is practically a dinosaur now. That's how AI is moving right now. I predict by the end of 2023, we will see how critical this really is. It's my opinion that it's better we be on board, exploit it to our own advantage, or you can just get blindsided like most will be. AI is going to change the world, quick. For the moment, it's free to access OpenAI's ChatGPT, but I don't think that'll be the case once they're done beta testing. This AI can't access the internet as of yet, relies on training data consisting of various sources of text from the internet, books, articles, with nothing past 2021. Imagine what AI can do with unfettered access to the world's data. The implications are astounding. All search engines are obsolete. All information jobs, techies, educators, telemarketers, customer service, the list goes on and on. All obsolete. The only thing that'll be able to fix the ensuing shitstorm will be AI itself. What do you think of this? Or am I way off? Can you see this too? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe for new AI news every day. Learn how to make money using AI. Make sure you have notifications turned on to keep you current with AI advancements. See you in a bit.